Katuk Nepor Hadian Banakaliang Kahenyo Tribe Integrated Territorial Organization Hito, Kalalet Banyakendo Yoba AL Hek Menteri Warekmi Yakatanan Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, Hakabi Day Baka Jingshalan Bian Yakimrat Bamdo, Nakaliang Menteri Ula Ai Ka Jingpenshai Halorkani. Habakran sikilat patay kubor hakanok pai singi jong ka katway tregunay lar araja arpusan uba AL hek ula kubur ya ka jingbam dan ki jaka ay jing sumar babiang balapan ya da ka sorkar Jylla nang ta ula penti kenaru banbu artli ki jaka Talasi bakentop ya ka way Hariboy district bat ka way pat Hanidanpur sel-sela.
Regarding the bringing livestock from outside the states, we are giving a very valid point and also suggestion that whenever we are bringing the livestock for consumptions in the state of Meghalaya, we don't have a proper health care center from the government of Meghalaya. But I told them, last 2 years we have received the sanction from the government of India for the construction of the health check care center of the livestock. So that is the construction is going on. One is at Narang, Hariboy district. One is in Nidanpur in the Kyrwoh district. So that is under the construction, and we are also telling the department time and again to speed it up because they have got complaint from not only from the Hito, so many organizations have given the similar complaint regarding the bringing the unhealthy livestock to the state of Meghalaya for the consumptions of the people of Meghalaya. So for that reasons, there are a very, very valid point and very good suggestion, which is given by Hito and previously with so many organizations in the past, to set up our own health check center to check the livestock, the health of the livestock.
So will you consider the suggestion given by Hito today?
I told you we have already got sanction last 2 years regarding the construction of the health check center. So that is the construction is in fully progress. One is in the Nidanpur, Kyrwoh, one is in the Hariboy district in Nara. So that is the full swing is going on, but maybe soon and maybe few days we are going to be implementing either one of this, the project. Health Peit Center will be will be implementing soon.
Habatin, Peit bahagi Khyrdop plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut Peit ya Khyrdop plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka Khyrdop plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya